Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed your Base44 app in Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to Shopify and you're going to click on online store over here from the left hand side. And then you're going to click on pages and you can simply open any page that you have or click on add page button here at the top right. Once you do so, you'll be taken over to an interface like this. So you're going to simply type down the title of the page and then you can simply click on content and save the page. And then you'll be redirected to a GUI section and you can simply customize that. But let's say if you wish to give the page a title over here and within the content section, you can also paste the embedding tag. So you can simply type down any SRC HTML tag or you can go to HTML embed tag of W3 schools and simply copy any example. So let's say we're going to go with this one. So you're going to simply copy it and come back over here in content and paste that over here. Here in SRC, you're going to type down your URL of Base44. So go back to Base44, go to publish over here and simply copy this URL by clicking on copy URL over here. And then go back to your Shopify and paste that URL over here. So you're going to simply click on paste. And now you can see the URL has been pasted and then you can simply click on save. So that is basically how you can embed your Base44 application in your Shopify. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.